for another interesting science experience video. Can you see? I have placed a small plant here. Let's see what are the basic things required for a plant to grow. As you all know, plant needs water, carbon dioxide and light. I'm gonna open my curtain. Can you see the bright light? Light is the main source of energy. It gives plants the light energy. Look at my plant now. Let's see next week how it is. Friends, can you see? My plant has grown so big. Let's see next week how the growth is. Friends, can you see the growth? It has turned to the sunlight. Let's see next week, friends. Wow! It has grown still more taller. Can you see? It has grown to the direction of the light. So friends, plants need light to grow.